Hello, I'm Mary Beth Fisk, the CEO and Executive Director of the Ecumenical Center. For over 50 years, the center continues to serve San Antonio and South and Central Texas. During this time of COVID-19, our stay-at-home orders, we want to bring you a few short videos that will highlight coping strategies, healthy relationships, and wellness information. You are all in our thoughts and prayers. Stay safe, stay at home, wash your hands, remain calm, and find your joy even in these challenging times.
Hello, my name is Elizabeth Hand. I'm a board-certified music therapist from the Ecumenical Center. Today we're going to explore how you can use music to help support relaxation and regulate some of the physical and mental stress that you may be experiencing. As we work through this, you can play music of your choice or just follow the sound of my voice. If you select your own music, I suggest using instrumental music, so no songs that include lyrics, and in general look for music that has a slower pace and softer sounds, something you could play in the background while you fall asleep. We are also providing a link with this video to some music selections recommended for a relaxation practice. If you would like to take a moment to pause the video and select some music, please do so now. If you are doing this along to music, begin to gently tap out the rhythm using the palm of your hand to your chest, just like this. Nice and light, with just enough pressure so that it feels like your heart is receiving those vibrations, supporting the relaxation and opening up of the chest. Begin to allow your breath to sync up with this rhythm, nice and easy, whatever breath feels natural. Breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. Take a few moments to notice where you feel the breath. Is it in your shoulders, your chest, or your stomach? And begin to allow the body to really sync up with the melody and then relax into it. You can picture yourself floating along within the music while using that rhythm to keep you firmly connected to the earth. Imagining that you are pulling up your breath through the bottoms of your feet while your mind and heart float within the music. And continue along just like this for as long as you like or until the music ends. Another great way to feel the rhythm is by actually playing it on rather an actual instrument or a physical object that you may have at home. So a makeshift drum, such as a laundry basket, a milk jug, pots or pans, whatever you feel comfortable using. So whether you have kids or you are by yourself, using instruments to kind of play out some rhythm can be a great way to really connect with the earth and sort of begin to express some of these difficult emotions. So whether you're feeling really angry or you're wanting something a little more subtle and relaxing, drums can be a great way to start to express some of these emotions. So you can use it to accompany your breath. Or you can use it as a way to maybe make some noise and play along to some music, whether you want to play along to some rock songs, to some classical music, or whatever you may feel is most appropriate. So find whatever you can and start making some music. When you are done, take a moment of gratitude for the energy your body just provided to you, and know that whenever you are feeling stressed or anxious, you can help support yourself by finding that place of stillness, that place of peace. All you need to do is breathe. We hope this exercise has been helpful to you. For additional assistance, please call the Ecumenical Center at 210-616-0885. Thank you.